Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to properly install tempered glass on any phone. I have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, so I will make the presentation on it. The tempered glass I'm using comes with a set of 2 wipes, one wet and one dry, 2 guide stickers and a dust absorber. Before you begin with the process, make sure the surface you're working on, as well as your hands, are clean and dust-free. Otherwise, you'll end up with air bubbles in your screen protector.
Step 1.
Open the wipe number 1, which is the wet one, and remove dirt and fingerprints from the screen.
Step 2.
Open the wipe number 2, the dry one, and dry out the screen. Before you move to the next step, make sure there is no dust left on the screen.
Step 3.
If you can still spot any dust particles, you can use the dust absorber. To remove the dust, stick it gently on the screen and avoid touching the display with your fingers.
Step 4.
If you're not feeling confident to move immediately to the glass installation, you can use some help from the 2 guide stickers. Lay the tempered glass with the protective plastic on the screen. Stick the stickers halfway on the bottom side of the glass. Then place the glass at the exact position you want to stick it on the screen and stick the rest half of the stickers on the phone to secure its position. Lift the glass, peel off the plastic protector and lay it back on the screen.
Step 5.
If you feel courageous, avoid step 4 and move on by peeling off the plastic from the tempered glass. Hold the glass from the edges. Prefer to hold the adhesive surface face down and be careful not to touch it. Then align the glass with the display and gently place the glass on the screen.
Step 6.
Touch the display on the center and the adhesive will start spreading. Apply some pressure with your finger and push the trapped air towards the edges of the glass. You may have to insist on some bubbles, but if there's no dust inside, you'll be able to take the air out after pushing 15 to 30 seconds. So basically, this is how you install a tempered glass on your phone. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you find this helpful, please like the video and do leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, if you're in this 90% that you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss future uploads.